Hey guys, welcome to my channel today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get $5 per sign up on a particular website. I'm going to show you, so it's very important to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video because I'm going to be showing you step by step, and I'm sure if you follow the exact same method I'm going to show you on this video, you're going to make better result than I did. And just stay to the end of this video, so you're going to see how you can make $5 with less effort on this website I'm going to show you. So with that being said, my name is Matthew and this is my channel, and if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, or you've come to my channel before and you didn't subscribe, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be dropping awesome videos. And turn on the notification bell so that when I post better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And leave a comment down in the comment section below if you have any questions, or you just want to say thank you Matthew, or you have any concerns or any ideas on making money online. And if at the end of this video or during this video you gain any value from this video, please leave me a like on this video and I will really appreciate that. With that being said, let's jump right into it. And first of all, you want to go to this website called sendinblue.com. This is a website that deals with email marketing. It's like a software that helps with email marketing. Most of you must have known about email marketing, where you send email to people telling them about a particular product, a particular thing, a particular service you offer, probably about your company, your services and all of that. As you can see, this is what Sendinblue is all about: email marketing, SMS marketing, chats, inbox and all of that. If you scroll down, you can see all the offer. So that's basically what Sendinblue is all about. If you go to pricing now, don't worry, you're not the one who's going to be using this. I'm just going to show you. This is the website that is going to pay us $5 per sign up. So it's important I just show you, give you a brief tour around the website. So as you can see, they have the free free package for a month. You have unlimited contacts, up to 300 emails per day. That means you can send out up to 300 emails per day. Chat one user. You have the light version, $25 a month. You have the premium version, $65 a month. This is the website that is going to be paying us. So the next website you want to go after checking this out is you want to go to a website called partnerstack.com. Partnerstack.com. This is like an affiliate website that has different software on here and different platforms on here. So when you come on here, you want to click login. If you don't have an account, you click login, is going to bring you to a page like this. It's going to bring you to a page like this, and it's you want to sign up first of all because you don't have an account, though you clicked login. So you want to click on sign in with Google. It's very important to sign in with a Google account. Very important. So I'm going to sign in my Google account real quick. You see here it said sign in with your Google account. So next thing you want to go, you want to fill all this stuff. Said, what's your company name? So I'm just gonna type my company name in there real quick. I'm just gonna say online. Okay, let me just use my other company, Moglo Digital Service. Okay, so I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna click continue. It's gonna load up. Now you want to come to this page. It says join program. The Partnerstack Marketplace has tons of different companies. You want to scroll down and you want to click explore marketplace. So once it opens now here on Partnerstack, you want to go to the search button at the top on here. You can see my my mouse up here. You want to click there and you want to search send in As you can see, it's already showing this is Sendinblue. As you can see here, it says Sendinblue is all in one marketing platform trusted by over 180,000 businesses, email, SMS, chat, CRM, marketing, and automation. Here it says get $5 per new account created and $100 per new paying client. So when you direct someone to this website and the person signs up for free, let me click sign up here. As you can see, all the person just needs to put is the email and the password. It said create the account, no credit card needed. The person doesn't need to put any credit card in here to create an account. So once the person creates an account, you get $5. It's as easy as that. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you those people who are going to be signing up and potential people who are not just going to be signing up, because if they sign up and they become paying customers, anyone that pays, you get $100 per new paying client. So on Sendinblue, if someone pays for probably the light version, which is around $25, or the premium, which is $65 a month, you're going to receive $100 for that. I'm going to be showing you potential people who will be able to pay this for this software. So what you want to do now, you want to click on join program. And after joining, they're going to approve you, and you're going to generate your referral link for promoting Sendinblue. So here is it. So you want to click join now. Click on join now, and it's going to open. It's loading. Okay, let me take this join now to get started. It's loading. So guys, if you're getting any value from this video, please leave a like on this video, and if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below saying thank you, Matthew, or you have any question you can ask me. So here, this is it. You want to fill in your name, your email address, your business name. You can fill in. I can also put Moglo Digital Service. You want to put in your, don't worry, if you don't have any business name, you might just come up with any business name and put it on here. Doesn't matter. Then website URL. Maybe you're watching this and you don't have a URL, you can copy the URL to your social media accounts, probably your Instagram account. You can copy the URL, or you can copy the URL to your Facebook, or you can come on YouTube and copy your URL. So for instance, if I want to use this URL, I just highlight that and I copy that, and I get back here and I put it on here. So the next thing you want to choose, they said if accepted into the program, where will you promote? You want to choose referring clients. You want to put social media, because you're going to be posting your links on social media. Probably you want to be running ads, review sites as well. So after filling all that, you want to click next and all of that. So after clicking next and after creating your account and they've approved you, the next place you want to go is you want to go to google.com, and you want to search for coffee shop, okay, coffee shop in Ohio, or let's say Barbers in Orlando, or you can search for coffee shop in Las Vegas. So once you search for anyone, you can just search for these local businesses in these big cities around you. It mustn't be in the United States, it can be in Canada, it can be in Australia, it can be in South Africa, it can be in Nigeria, wherever it is. You can just search for it, and you want to look for the one that have ads on them, like this one down here. You can see it's an ad. This one it's an ad. This one it's an ad. So you want to open them up in another tab. Open them up, as many of them as you can. As you can see, have page 1 to 10. So you want to open them up. You can as well do pizza in any big city, or number, or whichever one you want to do. So let's check out this one. It's a pizza company. This one is a pizza company. This one is a pizza company. So as you can see, this is a pizza company, and they don't have something like an opt-in page, something that Sendinblue offers. They don't have it on their website. You can scroll down or through, place an order, find orders, their map, and all of that. They don't have an opt-in page. Opt-in, I'm sure most of you, sometimes when you're browsing and you see an offer and you go on their website and they tell you that, oh, you have to give us your mail, your name before you can get access to the main page. That's called an opt-in page, and that's what Sendinblue does. This one doesn't have an opt-in page as well. As you can see, they only have online order, reviews, about, contacts, and phone number, and all of that. You can go on and check this. So these are your potential people who are going to be signing up for free and getting you, making you $5 for each of them. So you can send out as much as 500 to 1,000 emails, 150. The more you do, the higher chances of you getting people who are going to sign up for you to get these $5. So as you can see, there are lots of accounts on here. There are lots of websites on here I've opened up. So let me show you this website real quick. Okay. Let me show you this website. I have the opt-in page. This is a barber shop. It has an opt-in page. As you can see, it said join to get reduced, get exclusive discounts and promotion. So this person is saying that if you want to get discounts, you should give them your mail. So that's basically what an opt-in page is all about. So once you found this website, the next thing you want to do is you want to send them a message and explain to them why they need to register. So I already have a message drafted out already. I'm going to pin that in this message in the comment section below. So all you just have to do is take this message, spin it over. I don't advise you to post the exact same thing you're going to see on here. Just add up your own, change a little bit of stuff, because there are a lot of people that are going to be watching this video. So if you send the same stuff, it's not going to make sense. First, you want to say, could I assist you in growing your company for no cost? Or probably you just want to introduce yourself. Hey, I'm Matthew. I'm from probably Sendinblue, and could I assist you in growing your company for no cost? Okay. Then you want to see the very effective digital marketing technique and all of that. I'm going to pin this in the comment section below. You can tell them that you can try it out absolutely risk free to see if it will profit, if you will profit, that's if they can profit from it. So to sign up for 100% free trial with unlimited contacts, you should just click here. So the next thing you want to do is go and copy your link, because after creating accounts, they are going to check you out, then they're going to approve you to start promoting Sendinblue. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to wait on this video for them to approve you, because it's going to take a little while. So you might want to register first and wait for them to approve you. So here you want to click here, you want to put in your Sendinblue, probably Sendinblue.com / probably whatever your code or your referral code is going to be. You can as well shorten it using the Bitly site and shorten it and put it on here, or probably you might embed it in here on this click here. You might embed your link here. You might just embed that. See, I just click here. I'm sure it's on their on the website you're going to be sending it. And you're also important, you tell them that you're going to be earning a commission if they sign up. So they won't be like, you're helping me for free, so how are you going to get paid? They'll feel like, you want to scam them, or you want them to register on the scam site or something. Like, just tell them, this is how I get paid, because once you register, I'm going to get paid. Make them understand that they are not going to pay a dime for registering this. So this is very important. This is how you're going to contact each and every one of these sites. This is how you're going to contact each and every one of them, sending them that message using that email template. So I'm going to let me see if I'm going to see a website I can just contact them right on this video. I just wanna put in that message I just typed right now. Okay, it says here, okay, you wanna put your name. Let's say my name is Matthew Lawrence. Matthew Lawrence. You wanna put in your name, your email, Matthew Lawrence at profile@gmail.com. Then you want to put in your probably the headline. You want to copy this. You want to copy the heading. Could I assist you? Probably this is the subject. You wanna control C there. You wanna get back on here. Website. Okay, you wanna put this here. Control V that. You wanna scroll down. Then come on here. So guys, like I said, you shouldn't copy the exact same thing on here. Just spin it over. Matthew, I want to introduce myself. You put your name on there, then you copy this body, copy it, then you want to put it in the body and click on V. Then after that you submit. So guys, this is basically how you're going to make this money. $5 per sign up. Imagine if you get 50 people to sign up on $5, that's over probably $250. Can do that, make that in a week or probably in a day. So over time, these people are going to reply you or send you a message, or they might just like, okay, let me check out what this person is talking about, and they'll just come over and they'll just go over to sending you the Scrum through your affiliate link and register, and you will make your profits. And again, the withdrawal method on here is through PayPal. They use TransferWise as well. They use TransferWise to do that. To withdraw, you can use the TransferWise. You can use PayPal as well for your withdrawal. So basically, guys, that's how you're going to make $5 in minutes with Let's FF for $5 per sign up. That is how you're going to make $5 in everybody that signs up with your link. So I hope you gain value from this video. So I really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and like this video if you gained any value from this video. And see you in my next video. Remain blessed and stay safe.